Lara, I've got them in my sights.
Here goes.
What the hell is going on down there? Do you think they got the outsider?
Don't worry. If they didn't, they should have us.
Father Matthias will send us to the Oni if we don't find him.
Only if they fail and we...
What the?
What's that? Who's shooting?
I thought I lost you, girl. Are you okay? Stop! Don't move! They'll see you! Wait! Go now! Stop! Hold it! Almost got him. Move! Stop! Wait! Wait! Lara, I think you're clear.
Thanks for the cover. I think that makes us even.
Lara, look out!
Break this girl's neck! Surrender!
They went over! Is she dead? Oh, I can't see.
She might still be alive. Keep looking.
I can't see.
There's an intruder!
Lara, there's too many of them! Get out!
I'm heading in.
Are you sure about this, Lara?
I'll get them. I'll come back. I promise.
But here we are the Solari, the Sun Queen's children. She brought us here for a reason. I know you want your freedom. I know you want to escape this place. But to do so, we must release our queen. Like us, she is a prisoner. If we can free her, we free ourselves. This girl, she carries the blood of this land. She could be the key. The ritual of flames will show us the truth. Himiko, you are the first and the last. Speak to us now!
You killed our brother! Now I'm gonna kill you! This is for Vladimir, outsider!
Enough! Dmitri, Nikolai, bring her to me.
Every creature in nature will turn and fight when its very survival is at stake. So don't think I don't understand you, girl. I've just been doing this a lot longer.
Ready yourself, brothers! Our queen is about to speak! Speak to us, Himiko!
Sam!
Speak to us through the flame!
Oh, I'm so sorry. Just look at me. Look at me, okay?
She's the one. Soon, my brothers, we will be reborn!
Take her to the throne room. Your fight is over, creature.
I can't see the body. I don't think she survived the fall. Let's get down there. Come on.
Some kind of natural gas. Probably flammable. That's what this place is. Matthias thinks Himiko's spirit is keeping us here. That's not possible. It's not possible. But he's so beyond crazy that maybe he's come right back round to some kind of sane. The helicopter isn't our way off. You know that, Lara, in your gut. I have to warn the others. If we board it, we're dead.
Every new brother is assigned a job, a purpose in the Solari. As long as Matthias continues to prove his spiritual connection to the Sun Queen, they will fall in line and believe. Initiation to the Brotherhood is brutal. We need to destroy their humanity so that they in turn can be inhumane. New recruits are thrown into the depths of the caverns or left to starve and fend for themselves for days, sometimes weeks. Those who make it out alive are welcomed with open arms. I still can't explain what kind of power Matthias has tapped into, but I don't care anymore. We're never getting off this goddamn island. Some days, I'm convinced we're all in hell already. God knows with the things we've done, we might as well be. Don't struggle too much. And hope they kill you fast.
Oh, God.
What are you doing?
This is horrible.
Food today.
Female, delicate. So nice.
Maybe they will share some of you. Water, food, anything, please. No. Come here. You stay away. This is my home. What? Oh, yes. It came on us suddenly. Saw a storm like it.
That vent in the pit again. If it's loose, let's just leave it for the next shift.
Hey, don't take too long down there. Want to finish this game?
Yeah. What if the unholy ones figure out how to ignite that shit? Shit. All right. I hate that place. Look, I'll go check it out. You can stay here. Thanks, brother.
Fucking up the board.
Relax. You're losing anyway. God damn it. Not again. Come on! Help me out here! What the hell is going on down here?
Looks to be early 18th century. I remember black silk fans were used when conducting funeral rites for nobles.